Dude, I seriously can't breathe with this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज के वीडियो में I am going to show you my Club Factory haul. मैंने कुछ weird चीज़ें Club Factory से मंगवाई थी and you guys know I have a love-hate relationship with Club Factory. But yeah, I hope that you guys find this video interesting and entertaining. बहुत ही कुछ चीज़ें तो I can't even, like they are so weird and I'm like what the hell. But yeah, I'm super excited to share these products with you guys. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, make sure आप मेरे channel को subscribe कर लो. Click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button right next to it. You can follow me on Instagram and yeah, we'll just get started. मैंने जब पिछली बार सामान ऑर्डर किया था, my experience was not good to be honest. मैंने कपड़े and bags and jewelry मंगवाई थी. So मैंने फिर figure out किया कि Club Factory से actually में क्या मंगवाना चाहिए. And I just went through the different kind of things they have, like weird things, because I was just like, you know what, I just want to see what the fuss is about. मैंने ये कुछ videos देखे थे and I wanted to see if some of the things that I have ordered, like you know what exactly they do. So that is pretty much it. I'm going in with an open mind and we're just going to test out the first product, which is this selfie ring light. So I really wanted one of this for my phone. Although मेरे पास एक बड़ा ring light है, but मैं देखना चाहती थी कि क्या ये मेरे फोन पे काम आएगा and you know just to take selfies and all रात को. So this is like called a selfie ring light. So this is what it looks like. ये इसका outer packaging है. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है it's for 404 rupees, which is not bad honestly, pretty cheap. Club Factory पे cheap सामान ही मिलता है. Now this is what the actual product looks like. Here you go. I am like super intrigued and let's see अगर ये काम करता है कि नहीं. I'm just gonna put in some batteries and show you guys. See, I came prepared. I have batteries right here and I'm so excited. Like I hope that this works. Okay, so here you go. This is a ring light. ये मैंने off कर दिया. This is the first setting. This is the second setting. And this is the third setting. Like not bad at all, you guys. इसके नीचे एक छोटा सा बटन है. So basically you have to press it and just you know adjust the lighting. And this is what it looks like. So to test out this छोटा वाला ring light, मैंने अपना main ring light off कर दिया है because I want to test this out. Now I'm gonna open my camera and I'm gonna take a selfie and. Okay, so I don't think this makes a lot of difference. And I'm gonna take one in the exact same lighting without the ring light and you guys can tell me what you guys think. Okay, honestly this ring light is not powerful at all. Like I think like both the pictures look pretty much the same. It's an okay product. Maybe मेरे को अंधेरे में लेना चाहिए. Wait, I'm gonna test that out as well. Okay, मैं अंधेरे में सेल्फी ले रही हूँ just to show you guys कि अंधेरे में सेल्फी कैसे आती है. Okay. So here is the selfie without the ring light. Here is the selfie with the ring light. And here is the selfie जो मैंने अंधेरे में ली with this ring light. Now this doesn't completely suck, of course. मतलब it works. It does make a little difference, especially अगर आप बिल्कुल अंधेरे में लोगे. But yeah, it's not something that I will use a lot. To be honest, I'm not even sure if I will use it again because clearly it did not make a lot of difference. And मैं बिल्कुल pitch black अंधेरे में selfies नहीं लेती. I would give this a 6 on 10 to be honest. Yeah. The next thing that I got are these tinkle razors. तो मैंने इनके बारे में बहुत सुना है, बहुत लोग इनकी बहुत तारीफ करते हैं. Facial razors, basically use them अपना peach fuzz हटाने के लिए and just you know you can shape your eyebrows and everything. So मैंने already एक निकाल के use करना शुरू किया है and let me tell you these razors are amazing. Now ये बहुत smooth है. Now they are sharp but ये आपके face को cut नहीं करेंगे, so that is a good thing. And इन पे individual covers भी आते हैं which I really like. This is the one जो मैं currently use कर रही हूँ and you guys can see this is what it looks like. The blade is like pretty sharp and it gets the job done. The next thing that I got which really disappointed me are these sanitary toilet disposable bags. So basically you use them to cover the seats if you use public washrooms, which I do a lot. I go out a lot and just you know traveling में आपको ज़रूरत पड़ती है. So I thought wow, this is like super good. I do use like those Pee Safe wala sprays, but just to be extra sanitary I thought कि these will be great. Okay, so what happened was when I saw them, I saw कि ये एक package में आते हैं. So basically when you add to cart you will see that इसमें 50 या फिर 100 box का option है. So basically when I purchased this मैंने सोचा था कि मेरे को एक big package मिलेगा and I will get 50 to 100 pieces of these, but I got this one disposable sanitary whatever, like toilet cover, because this retails for 104 rupees. So I paid 104 rupees for one single sanitary thing, and I'm just like, what the hell is that? If I end up using it, I will share my experience with you guys and just, you know, let you guys know how this worked out. But yeah, overall I'm just like a little pissed because I paid 100 rupees for one single piece. And yeah, the next thing that I got are these छोटे से 2 pouches. Now these are meant for traveling, and you can basically just put shampoo, conditioner and all of those things and just, you know, travel. I thought कि ये बहुत ही अच्छा idea, because आपको फुल बॉटल्स नहीं लेके जाने पड़ेंगे अगर आप 2 या 3 दिन के लिए जा रहे हो बाहर. एंड आई गॉट 2 बिकॉज आई थॉट कि मैं एक में शैम्पू और एक में कंडीशनर डाल दूंगी. आई विल नॉट यूज देम व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू मुंबई, बिकॉज वहाँ पे मेरे सिस्टर का घर है, सो शी ऑलरेडी हैज एवरीथिंग. आई थिंक दीज वर फॉर 100 या 150 रुपीज ईच. मैं प्राइस ऑफ कोर्स नीचे मेंशन कर दूंगी. बट आई एम सुपर इम्प्रेस विद दिस, एंड अगर आप ट्रैवल करते हो यू शुड गेट देम, बिकॉज दिस विल जस्ट मेक योर लाइफ अ लॉट ईजियर. The next thing that I got, which is super weird, is this nose job thing. Now you'll be like, what the hell? Now इसके पीछे सब कुछ Chinese में लिखा हुआ है, but basically this is a tool that you use on your nose. And यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था, like इसके description में, that this will basically give you a very sharp nose, and it's basically a nose job in a plastic tool. So this is called the Lifting Bridge Straightening Beauty Nose Clip. So basically you use this on your nose and it will just shrink your nose and it will give you a nose job effect. Now I just, what is this? I mean, मैं बहुत intrigue हो गई थी जब मैंने देखा था, because how random can you get, honestly? Like, okay, so this is what the tool looks like. Here you go. That is so weird. Let's test this weirdo out, man. Oh shit. Voldemort, is that you? Dude, I seriously, I can't breathe with this. Just like पूरा circulation ही रोक दिया, and my eyes are getting watery. मेरे कान बंद हो गए, and oh god, it's so painful. ये क्यों है? ये किसने बनाया? And इसका purpose क्या है? Because it's not going to give you guys a nose job. This can just, you know, harm you and your face, and that is my #1 concern with products like these, क्योंकि ये misleading है and false advertising है, and this will definitely not give you a nose job. This is just ridiculous, and my nose actually hurts, and इसमें कोई direction नहीं है कि आपको कितनी देर के लिए रखना है. जो भी, I mean, at least they should provide some kind of directions, because of course we can't read Chinese, and कोई pictures भी नहीं है. It's just so stupid. Next thing that I got, okay, so मुझे कैरियोके करना पसंद है, एंड आई, यू नो, आई लिसन टू अ लॉट ऑफ म्यूजिक एंड आई सिंग अलोंग. सो आई गॉट अ कैरियोके वाले हेडफोन्स, ईयरफोन्स. दीज आर व्हाट द ईयरफोन्स लुक लाइक. हियर यू गो, and I really like the packaging. It's like pretty sparkly, and here is the mic. Really cool. Now मुझे अपने वीडियोस में वॉइस ओवर करना इतना पसंद नहीं है, to be honest, but yeah, like I wanted to check it out क्योंकि ये बहुत sparkly था, and I just, you know, I just wanted to see what the fuss is about, and I hope that this works out. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out in front of you guys. I'm not gonna sing for you guys, just to let you guys know, because yeah, not a good singer. I want to see कि इसमें मेरी voice कितनी clear आएगी. Where is my like recording app? Here you go. What should I say? Okay, I'll say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I'm gonna play जो मैंने record किया. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is with the earphones. Honestly, मुझे नहीं लगा कि this made a big difference. I don't know. You guys tell me. Now these are very cute. Would I recommend it for the sole purpose कि आपको voice record करनी है? Probably not, because it really makes 19-20 का difference. Now if you want a cute pair of earphones and, you know, you just like the idea of a little mic, then go for it. I mean, it's only for 200 rupees, so what's the worst that can happen? Last thing that I got is this case right here. So ये मैंने इसलिए लिया again because I travel, and यहाँ पे इतने सारे compartments हैं. When I saw this, I was like, wow, this is like super cool. मेरे को traveling के लिए बहुत काम आएगा. Now this has 4 compartments and सब में zip है. So basically you use them to store your products. Now this is like really nice to store your toiletries. मेरा makeup तो इसमें नहीं आने वाला, but I will let you guys know मैं इसमें क्या क्या लेके जाती हूँ, and probably insert a clip so you guys can see. Now this retails for 259 rupees, and I would definitely recommend this. I think like it like gives you a lot of space to put a lot of things, and it looks really cool, and yeah, it will save you again a lot of space, and just you know सब कुछ एक ही बैग में रहेगा, so आपके लिए convenient होगा when you're traveling. And yeah, I would recommend this. And yeah, that is pretty much everything that I got. I did not get a lot of stuff because yeah, I did not know कि क्या काम करेगा या नहीं करेगा, and I do not want to waste my money. But yeah, I really like some of the stuff that I got, and I'm not too mad at the stuff जो नहीं काम किया. It's okay. I feel like I've started to take it with a pinch of salt, and I know कि Club Factory में सब कुछ hit or miss ही है. Now one thing that I will tell you guys is read the reviews, and अगर reviews नहीं है then I would suggest कि आप मत लो. And yeah, that is about it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे न्यू हो, make sure you subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.